So ladies and gentlemen, let's speak about one common problem if you're not the lucky owner of a camera cage. Doesn't matter which camera. So in this case, I'm gonna demonstrate the problem, what I'm speaking about. Or if you're unlucky and you don't have any L bracket for your camera. So here is my Canon EOS R. Good one, full frame camera. And let's assume the following. Here's my ATOMOS Ninja V. I don't have one of these really expensive ATOMOS SSDs, so I keep the one which I had in my computer. And let's assume the following. You would like to attach the ATOMOS Ninja V onto your camera with that super nice mount adapter or hot shoe adapter, whatever you want to call it. So that's the display. Here's my Canon EOS R. Here's the hot shoe adapter. And there's no other way now for me to attach an external microphone like this or like this onto my camera. And sometimes there is the need that you record good audio quality. I mean, if you have a camera cage or an L bracket, there's no problem at all because you have plenty of space to turn all kind of screws around your camera. But what is the cheapest and the best solution to solve this problem now? Let me show you something. So I came to the idea, so let's assume I would have something like a hot shoe on top of my Ninja V. I mean, I don't have any L bracket. I don't have a camera cage for this camera, but I got this one here. A really small, tiny hot shoe, which I can put onto my ATOMOS Ninja V. Let me show you how this looks like. It's the cheapest version I can imagine of, because I only paid round about, I guess, like 10 bucks or something. So you can either attach a really small video light, or you make use of one of these small microphones which you can plug into your camera. Let me show you that the cable is long enough. So this one here is a wire cord and it still works. Let me show you this with the Rode VideoMic Pro. Sorry, the autofocus is running now. And this works as well. I mean, it looks kind of weird, but whenever you need to record good audio quality with an external microphone and your ATOMOS Ninja V without any L bracket or a camera cage, I guess that is the best solution for the cheapest price. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, please make sure to leave a comment below. Make sure to follow me on Telegram, and I will put all of these accessories which I used into the video description below. All the best from Frankfurt. Bye bye.